Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore today. It's a nice sunny day. Rain over the night, just a little bit. Need more rain. I think it's going to rain sometime in the middle of the week with some more humidity. Makes the garden grow really like crazy. I'll have to show you in another video what my garden looks like. But anyway, let's get to the video. I have to fix this hose, and you're going to say, nothing looks wrong with the hose. Well, let me show you in just a second here. Let me turn on the water. As you can see, it looks like a sprinkler. So I'm going to fix that. So let me turn it off. It's off. We got to let the water pressure down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the end off and put this on. So, and the pressure is just about done. All right, I have it disconnected. I'm going to be using a hose adapter, 5/8 by 3/4 inch. Now I have to take my awesome multi-tool, and we're going to cut this end off. Instead of replacing the whole hose, you can do it like this. Just got to be careful with these multi-tools. They can really do some damage to your skin. I love these multi-tools. I've had it for quite some time. Actually, this is my second one that I've had. All right. Now we have to take this off, the clamp. If you can see that. Just a plain Phillips screwdriver. Well, yeah, and I don't know if you just heard that Harley Davidson, but starting next week is going to be the big celebration here, so that'll be cool. So now what you want to do is you want to try to put that in the hose here, as I'm trying to do it. I might have to get my heating tool to make this more pliable, but you get the idea. It's got to go in here. So I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll show you when it's put in there. Okay, so apparently I must have bought the wrong size of this, and I had put it in the hose like I was supposed to, and I used my heat gun, softened up the hose, and I got everything in, but I couldn't put this clamp around the hose. And I looked at everything, I measured everything, and I don't know, the hose is just that much harder. So now I got a different one. It's a little cheaper, but it'll do. It's not plastic, because plastic and cold does not work very well. So yeah, let's use this now and see if this works. That's one thing. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything and say, oh yeah, this thing was really well and so on and so forth. Well, it really wasn't. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. I'm going to open up the clamp a little bit, put it on the hose, and then all this stuff is made from China anyway, so so let's put this one. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on there. I know it's still cheaper than buying a whole new hose That's for sure. Plus this hose is, I want to say it's a few years old and it's still going strong. I'm going to heat it up a little bit. Make the hose a little more pliable. I remember back in the day when I was growing up, we would take parts of hoses and throw them in the fire at campfires, and it would show a nice green color. I'm sure that was not good for the environment, but sure did well for the campfires. Back then a lot of things were made. All right, so now let's get the hose clamp that's way down here. It looks like it's on there. Tighten it up. Make sure, I'm sure I could heat it up some more and like melt it on there, but we don't want to do that. All right, now I gotta find the other hose and see if I made it worse or if I made it, oops. One other thing, we gotta put the washer in there. That would create a disaster. So let's put that in. See if it's the hose. All right, come on now. That washer's not. All right, come on. It's not this difficult. But you are creating me for some difficulty. All right, let's try this again now. All right. Okay, now it's all connected, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to move the camera just in case, because I don't want the camera to get wet. So we will see. All right, I'm going to try to aim the camera, turn it on. Well, looks like I did the great job. It's not leaking, it's on. Trust me, it's on. And sure beats buying a $50 or, yeah, I think it's pretty, maybe $25, $30 for a 50-foot hose, a good one. You know, those ones that you see on TV, it's probably only last. And you can see it's wet because my hand is wet. You know, if it drips a little bit like that, I am happy with it, not where it was gushing out like a sprinkler. So, all right, well, you know, things don't always go as planned. I had to buy a different one, and but in the end, the job got done. So, just got to keep plugging at it. Just don't give up, and it'll be fine. So, I appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will have some more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.